In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Brother Printer warranty. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then on here, you want to click on the product registration, okay? And when you click on that, it's going to say register now. And when you click on this, you will basically have to create a Brother account. So to do this, it's very simple. I'm going to show you how to achieve this in just a second. There we go. You want to click on create account down here at the bottom, assuming you don't have one already. And then you first have to put in your email. They're going to send you a verification code, and then you're going to have to put in your verification code as well. And then after you've done that, you'll have to put in some of your basic info, such as your name, surname, your password you want to use with your account, etc. And when you do this, you'll then get the access to your account and you'll be able to sign in. Now inside your account dashboard, which looks like this, you want to go to the very bottom left where it says register product. And when you do this here, it's going to allow you to click on the new product tab up the very top right. So wait for this to load, click on the new product. And then here you will have to basically put in your serial number and then click on next and just follow the register process. So to do this here, it's going to basically require you to find the serial number, which you can find on the back of your machine and which starts with U, as you can see here. This is kind of an example. So find your serial number, type it in here, click on next. And when you do this, you can just go ahead and continue the process. Just follow the steps. It's going to be very simple. And just like that, within just a few minutes, you'll be able to complete your product registration. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.